How you doing, Congressman? Congressman, they just released the Attorney General just released the hearing. I mean, just the information about what their results came from, the investigation of Breonna Taylor. How do you think the country should feel right now?
Well, I think one thing that we do know is that justice has absolutely been denied in this case. What went on with the murder of Breonna Taylor involves so much more than one officer. This was a miscarriage of justice that permeated throughout the entire department. It was not just one officer that led to the events of her death, and I think that there's an elevated level of accountability that her family deserves.
And even with the Attorney General, who just recently spoke at the Republican Party for Trump's event.
Well,
you know, people are saying like he ended in his press conference. He actually stated about, you know, the country shouldn't follow with the mob, and, you know, using keynotes with Trump speaks.
well, I think the thing is that it's incredibly irresponsible in his official capacity as an individual responsible for these charges to politicize them and to reiterate our side versus their side. Justice should just take one side, and his statements unnecessarily invoked partisanship in what should be a nonpartisan question. Whether somebody killed somebody or not has nothing to do whether you're a Democrat or a Republican. It's with the truth and the evidence that was led in the case. We know that this is not an issue that's localized just to Kentucky. This one case happened in Kentucky, but what about Eric Garner? What about the countless other people that we've lost to this injustice? To refuse to see any pattern is to add to the problem, because what so many people are asking for and what justice is about, they're just asking to be seen. They're just saying, please acknowledge what happened, not have this kind of opinion on it or that kind of opinion on it.